The error is likely to affect the most popular line on an iPhone which supports dual SIM. If you own multiple cellular plans that are linked to your iPhone with the standard SIM as well as an eSIM, you might encounter this issue. Error is seen the most frequently when trying to dial out using your default SIM, using the latest call logs under phone greater than recent. There will be an error message which gives you the option of calling with your remaining phone. It's possible to tap call in the window that appears to be aware that it will call from any number that isn't selected to be your primary number. Which iPhone models are affected? This issue first erupted on its head after Apple introduced its first dual SIM iPhones released in 2018, specifically those with dual SIM capabilities, the iPhone XS and XS Max. Since then, every iPhone equipped with dual SIM features is susceptible to the problem. This is true for every version of iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone SE, 2022, as well as iPhone SE, 2022, and iPhone 14, including Pro and Max models. To resolve the last line is no longer being used error, ensure that your phone has been updated to the most recent version iOS. Try manually switching lines by pressing call following your call has failed. Also, try starting your iPhone or restricting the data you use for cellular to the secondary line in settings greater than cellular and cellular data. After that, switch the secondary line to off.